At the Albion Courthouse in Albion, Indiana, and I am taking a look at this fountain, and you can see that there is a electric outlet here and a float, so to auto add water. There's a fountain right there, a pump. This is what we should build at Brook Pointe. Looks to be about 1.5 foot, 2 foot, well, it's probably about 2 foot tall. Patio pavers all the way around. It's like no rubber liner. It looks like a concrete liner. Just concrete. And there are fountain lights in here. Looks really nice. There's a photo cell here running the pump, and you can see the water line coming in. And there's a float, so it auto fills. So we'll have to have water ran up. It's a very pretty fountain in Albion, Indiana.